encouraging others with hope and positivity as a family caregiver to my mom, aka Queen G, and as a full-time stay-at-home homemaker. A variety of videos sharing caregiving tips, cooking, gardening, decluttering, cleaning, hauls, meal planning, always in my planner, chatting, and sometimes a burst of laughs. Let's face it, things happen in life, so why not make it lovely? But I have been keeping up with like the dishes, wake up every day, unload and then reload, those kind of things, and keeping up with the laundry. The bathrooms, I've been doing my swish and swirls, but I haven't done like this kind of thing, like the mirrors and really getting into it. Alright, give that a good scrub. Welcome back to A Tiny Tidy Tuesday. It is a part of an open collaboration hosted by my dear friend Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home, who shares a weekly playlist of our Team Tiny Tidy, as well as some weekly guests. You'll want to check out the playlist as our Tiny Tidy team has grown. A lot of new channels to check out and a lot of Tiny Tidy motivation for you. If you'd like to join the open collab, make sure to contact Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home. If you're doing a tiny tidy this week, let us know what you're tidying today in the comments below. I think it's time for me to get a new brush. I'm watching our friend's son, number 81, on the Packers. Ay. All right, here we go. Yeah, that wasn't going to happen. I wish it was that easy, but it's not. So let me go through this stuff and let's check it out. All right, went through everything. These need to be all relocated. I have to check, look, all of these lotto numbers. Who knows? I could be a millionaire. Are numbers that we like to play when we go to the pizza joint. Some information I want to place in my mom's binder, just so I have medication, some Audible for her, a couple of wipes that I'm going to place in my mom's wheelchair bag, a thermometer that we brought home from the hospital just because it was hers, and we thought, instead of throwing it away, why not just have it as a backup? My little ponytail holder. This needs to go into the van. These are some coupons and odds and ends. I gotta put this on my keychain. And so anyways, these are all coupons. So all of that needs to be placed away, and then all of that can go. That's all clutter and it can go. So it could go into the garbage. Oh, two other things. This one is to clean the window in the van, so I need to put that in the van, and then this one is mine. That needs to go up in my office. So that looks better. Just need to wipe it down, give this to the neighbor, and we are good. Finally disinfected and shined the sink. It has been a while. I don't know, I felt like
felt like I videotaped it like way too many times, and I don't know. Ta-da! Then I have, well, these I still got to put out in my basket in the backyard. And then I have some bird feeder food that I need to use up. So I'm going to go ahead and refill, make some food for the hummingbirds, and then hang that out in the backyard. Have that one up, and I have the second one up. It is a gorgeous day today. Hey, look, I timed that just right. And shh, just kidding. YouTube skills right there. Nah. I still have tomatoes on here, and it's January. Yep. No strawberries, but I definitely need to come out here and pluck some stuff. Strawberries, some flowers, peppers. Alright, gotta get in. Oh, and check out. Isn't this gorgeous? My zinnia! I know what to make tonight. I'm going to make some pasta, rigatoni, garlic bread out of that. And I got to make Mom my cream of mushroom soup right now.